All right, here we are, boys and girls. We have day 11 of our December daily math. So I look here, I see a part-whole problem. 37 plus something equals 57. So if we know we have the whole and we know we have a part, we know we have to subtract, right? Because we have the big number and one of the two small ones. So 57 minus 37, 7 minus 7. Numbers the same, 0 is the gain. We don't get that one often. 5 minus 3 is 2, so our answer there would be 20. Okay, this number is 9. Even or odd? Can it be split evenly in two piles? No, therefore it is odd. Okay, Alex walks his dog 2 times a day. Good job, Alex. Each walk is 20 minutes. How many total minutes does Alex walk his dog in a day? Well, he walks his dog 2 times. Okay? Each walk is 20 minutes. So 2 20s. 20 plus 20 is 40. So 2 20s equals 40. And it's how many total minutes? 40. I better write total minutes. 40 total minutes. Okay, number 4 says, draw hands on the clock to show 10:30 in the morning. So let's move this to 10:30. 8, 9, 10. Okay, we have 10, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Here's 10:30. So the minute hand, we're going to put all the way down and touch the minutes. Remember, that's the long hand, so we're going to reach all the way up and actually touch the minutes. The hour hand is going to be somewhere between 10 and 11. Well, it's halfway around, so we can draw our hour hand halfway between the 10 and the 11. And there's 10:30. In the morning, a.m. Okay, complete the fact, then write the fact family. Something plus 6 equals 16. I know that one right away because it's a 10. We always have 0, 6 is 6. Okay, so if 10 plus 6 is 16, 6 plus 10 equals 16. Now we're going to put the big number over here, which is 16. So 16 minus 10 equals 6, and 16 minus 6 equals 10. All right, boys and girls, there we go. That was day 11. We are over halfway finished with our December daily math. We'll see you tomorrow.